What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get the Bitget wallet card. Also, before we get started, if you want to grab some crypto related bonuses, I will leave some relevant links in the description below. And now let's get started. So first off, you would need to open up your Bitget wallet. And once you open up your wallet, you will see this notification right here. Now if you don't see it on your homepage, you can go to the notification tab, to the system notifications, and then find the notification that says claim your meme mass 2025 limited edition Bitget wallet card. So just go ahead and tap on that. Then you will be redirected to this page right here. So on this page, all you need to do is just click start interaction right here. Then you will be redirected to the Gleam page. Now just scroll down until you can see submit your wallet ID. Now we would need to go back and get our Bitget wallet ID. So once you're back on the Bitget wallet homepage, just go to the settings in the upper left corner and simply copy your ID right here. Now we have our wallet ID, so we'll just go back to the previous page. And once we're here, just scroll down again and paste your wallet ID right here. Now, once you pasted your ID, just go ahead and click continue. Then you would need to provide your full name and your email in case they need to contact you. Once you inputted your email, you can just go ahead and click save right here. And now you would need to either create a Gleam account or log in into your Gleam account. Now, once you did that, you can exit the screen and move over to the step 2. So just go ahead and click start interaction. And here you would just need to purchase some Bitget tokens right here, and you do this by just swapping USDC or any other crypto that you currently have on your wallet for the Bitget token. Now after you're done with the first 2 steps, you can move on to the last one and just click start interaction right here. Now just be sure that you're already on the waitlist. As they say, once you're on the waitlist, click the link below to apply for the meme mass limited edition card. So once you're finished with all that above, you can just go ahead and click start interaction. And then you will be redirected to the card screen, and then you will just be redirected to the card screen. Now that's guys how you can get or apply for a Bitget card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.